So, hope you enjoyed that intro. It's Sam here, and we are going to take a look at how I created that intro using Smart Video and how you can do the same here. So here I am in the dashboard. I've got a review account here and it's loaded up with templates. Now bear in mind I do have a whole bunch of extra templates. The front end version that you might have less templates, but I created this video using one of these existing templates. There is a number to suit I know in the normal version there is a number to suit a number of niches, and you can also start from scratch. You can start completely by scratch by just clicking into My Projects and just creating a new project. You can start with a complete blank template, adding in the customization, images and things like that. Now I will tell you what's really impressive about this Smart Video software is it is all online based. It's not a software on your computer, and as you'll see in the end, one of the really cool things is you do not have to render the video. It does it all. It's all just cloud based. That takes care of it all, and it is instantly ready to use. It makes it fast and simple to be able to create nice videos. So how did I make that intro here? I found a template that I wanted to use, this one here where it had your name in it. I'm going to click on this template and it opens up a new window where we can start, we can either review what the template looks like and it'll load it up, or I just click remix or use template. So this is one of the templates available in my account, and so once I open it up we get given the editor. This is all real time the way it is loading, and I'm on an internet connection that is currently downloading some stuff as well, so it loads quite fast. Now with the voiceover at the start of the video, I actually recorded that separately and I uploaded the voiceover track onto YouTube because I exported it as an MP4. I probably should put it onto SoundCloud. Now here we are here. This is the video editor. Because it is a video that was already good to go, it's already put it in here because it's done from a template. So if I click play, it plays the standard version and it says buy now first name. Okay, what I want to do is start customizing a bit of this, and I don't want the background noise, so I'm going to select the track that is the video, and you can see the audio volume. I can turn that off because I want my voiceover over it. Now I go into media and I upload it onto YouTube. I copy this link and I just simply press play in here. Now once I put that in, I just click get media, and that is going to pull this media off YouTube and be able to be available to put it onto the edit timeline. So now I have the media here all loaded in. I just drag it, I just grab it, my bad, I just grab it, drag it down onto the timeline, and I want to drag it to under the video remix personalizer. So SamR voiceover, I will drag this one up. I'll drag. There we go. I've got it under, and then we got the personalizer. So why I want it under is because I want to be able to see the imagery from the personalizer over the top. Okay, so what we're going to do, so we've got the personalizer video over the top. Now what we can do, oops, I've got two lots on the timeline, so I'll get rid of this one. I'll just press delete and it's gone. So now here we are in the intro. Now I want to be able to customize it to what you're going to see on the bonus page. So I'm going to get it play, and as you can see my talking syncs up. Now I'm going to edit this text. I'm going to say welcome. Welcome, and then it's going to have first name for your name. So you should have seen that on the video as you came in. Now as we go through the video, because a lot of the content using this template is done for me, as we can see in this frame here, we have another first name tab put in there. Now what we can do, if I wanted to, I could go on elements and I could put a little pop-up here which will show up, and I can put in like little different images and things like that of you as well. What we will do is when we get to some of the images, we'll demonstrate that as well. So let's just watch through. So as you can see here on this thing, we've used this template and it's already loaded up the images, the smart images. Now, because what you can do here as well is you can add in more images from wherever you want. So if you click image, you can add in fixed images, but you can also add in smart images as well. What are the smart images? The smart images are the personalized images here. When we click personalize image, and this is going to fill the screen with the image that Smart Video pulls online of you. So if I leave this up here, you would probably see this at the start of the video. Okay, but I'll keep this out and we'll add it into the end when I started talking about personalized stuff again. So basically, when I start from a template, it's very easy to go through and just edit the elements that are already in place. Now you can fully resize these elements, and like I talked about earlier, you can just start from complete scratch, a blank canvas with your own background video. We have templates for real estate, we have them for online marketing, a whole bunch of different marketing, a whole bunch of different sort of marketing applications that you can use, and you can create these videos and sell them, and provide them as a service to real estate agents, agencies for better marketing. More personalized marketing is a big one. A lot of people have been making the most of this to do that. You can also use it for online products, just to be able to create personalized marketing more towards the viewer. It is a lot more engaging, and that's how you do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get through this video. I was talking about the brands at this point in the video, and then at the end came up with a Skype call, and I was talking about how simple this is for for it to be fully customizable. So if I go down to the timeline, I know I sort of stopped talking down here, so this is about when we're going to cut off the video. So I'm going to add in another little customized, personalized image in here, just for fun, and I'm going to put in another element. I will say personalized text. We'll add this in, and we'll say double click. Can you see yourself here? Okay. And we can change the alignment. We can change it to be right aligned, left aligned, centered as well. What I can do too is, if we want to personalize this, if we go into basics and we click this personalize letter on the thing, we can choose the first name, last name. So we can put first name in here, and we can have it plain. So what it does is it says first name. What I can do is we can move this. So I'll copy that, I'll delete that, and I will put it at the start. Okay, so it should say, can you see your image here? Now if we scroll onto the timeline, you can see them here on the timeline. So this is how long it is going to play for. So I can, so I'll leave it there. So just so you would have seen this in the opening sequence, and if you want to go back, you can check it. Now for this, I'm going to add the demo into the end. So I want to get to the end of my voiceover here. Okay, once I'm down to the end of my voiceover, what I'm going to do, the rest of the content from here, I'm going to just shorten this so this video ends at the playhead. Okay, and I'm going to put this demo, I'm going to upload this demo to YouTube, and I'm going to add it onto the end, just like we added media just before. Now we're going to put this video on the bonus page, so you would be watching it in real time as it is done. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the extra content, but you can add in a whole bunch of extra content. Now you can put links and buy buttons and things in, but I'll keep those out because this video will be used on multiple pages with different links. So so you can add it all in. Down here I'm going to add the demo video onto the end, and it was that simple to be able to create this video with Video Remix. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this project, and I'm going to call this one the SamR demo. Okay, and I'm just going to save this so I can go back to it. It also says I can resolve some of the issues by doing some sort of things, so I can go back and resolve those. Because I need to, overlapping YouTube track, so we'll keep this there. I probably should have uploaded the audio to SoundCloud, because you can do that as well, but I'll click save anyway. And then for me to be able to produce it, you click on the produce button, and you can either share it directly to social media if you've synced up your social media account, or you can send it out, via email as well. However, so what you do to be able to share it is you click on social campaign, and then the embed location, you can either embed it onto social media like your Facebook page, but because these bonus pages are on WordPress, we're going to embed it on as WordPress. You can do it into lead pages, and also you can embed it directly as well. So I'm going to grab the optimized press code, which is gives me the iframe code I need to be able to embed it. Also, you can choose the size. So we do the 720p, so 1280 by 763 will be fine. So we'll choose that size there. We can have it preload video, and we can also have it auto play. So I want it to auto play when you first hit the bonus page, so I'm going to select that as well. Now all I have to do is get this code to my developer, or if I'm editing the page as well, paste it in there, and that'll put the video in as well. And that's how this video you're watching right now ended up on the bonus page. So this is Sam. It's been a pleasure to show you how we created this video, how we got the personalization at the start. Take a look down below. You'll be able to see how you can create all the sorts of tools you can do with Smart Video. This is just a small taster for you. Check it out. Check out some examples. There is examples on the sales page too when this goes live. So make sure you get in during the early bird discount. If you're here within the first few hours, you will have a $50 off coupon. So make the most of that. You're going to save a ton of money for this. And of course, this is a very smart investment. There is one guy who has used this who has a $2,000 recurring contract to be able to produce videos like this for clients. So it is a smart way to make money online, especially if you consult to local businesses or you provide services online. Like I said, to real estate agents or anyone trying to market and is trying to use personalized marketing, this is a hot thing for them to jump on board and use you to do. So check it all out down below. Get in during the early bird period. Check out all the bonuses on this page too. Hope you enjoyed this demo, and no doubt about it, I'm sure we'll talk again soon.